Public transport in the United Arab Emirates has come a long way over the years, and continues to improve at a remarkable rate. Now more than ever, it is easier and more convenient to navigate the country using public transport. Whether it be by bus, metro, or tram, there are plenty of options available to get around. The Dubai Metro is by far the most popular form of public transport in the UAE. It is an automated system that runs through the city of Dubai on 2 separate lines. The Red Line is an elevated route which runs from Al Rashidiyah to Jumeirah Beach Park and provides easy access to some of Dubai's most popular tourist destinations such as the Burj Khalifa and Palm Jumeirah. The Green Line operates underground and connects major areas such as Dera and Bur Dubai with each other, along with providing access to major shopping malls such as the Dubai Mall and Mall of Emirates. Both lines have expanded significantly over the years, with new stations being added on a regular basis. The RTA, Roads and Transport Authority, also operate public buses across various routes throughout the Emirate of Abu Dhabi. These include local buses which cover large areas within the city, express buses which link up different parts of Abu Dhabi, as well as intercity buses which connect Abu Dhabi with other cities in the UAE such as Al Ain or Fujairah. All public buses are constantly monitored by GPS systems and are equipped with air conditioning for added comfort during your journey. Ticket prices are affordable too, making this an ideal way to get around town quickly and economically. The UAE also has trams running in some parts of the country such as Al Sufu Road in Dubai or Yas Island in Abu Dhabi. These trams provide fast links between major destinations like Marina Mall or the Walk at JBR, Jumeirah Beach Residence. They run on electricity rather than fuel, so they are eco-friendly too. No matter what form you choose to take advantage of when traveling around the UAE, you can be sure that comfort and convenience will always be top priority for all users of public transport services here in this wonderful part of the world. By taking advantage of these services, you can make sure you get where you want to go quickly and reliably, without breaking your budget. Whether you're commuting to work or exploring new parts of town, public transport in UAE has got you covered. Public transportation in the United Arab Emirates, UAE, is one of the most convenient, reliable and affordable ways to get around the country. Whether you are a resident or a visitor, public transport can take you to any destination in the UAE quickly and safely. The UAE is served by an extensive public transport system. This includes buses, metro rail networks, water taxis, and even ferry services. All of them are operated by government-owned companies that strive to provide safe, efficient and cost-effective transport solutions for residents and visitors alike. The most popular form of public transport in the UAE is the bus system operated by clustered companies known as RTA. The RTA buses are comfortable, air-conditioned coaches with modern amenities that connect all major cities across the country. The buses operate regular routes throughout the day, so no matter what time you need to travel, there will be a bus available for you. Another popular public transport option in the UAE is the metro rail system, which consists of 2 lines that connect Dubai with other Emirates such as Abu Dhabi and Sharjah. The metro service runs frequently throughout the day, so you can always be sure to get where you need to go as quickly as possible. In addition to buses and trains, water taxis are also available in some parts of UAE's coastline. These boats offer quick transportation between ports along Dubai's coastline, and they provide a convenient way to access some of Dubai's more remote destinations. Finally, there are ferry services operating between certain locations like Abu Dhabi and Sir Bani Yas Island, or between Dubai Creek and Burj Al Arab Hotel, which provide passengers with an enjoyable experience on board its luxury vessels. No matter your travel needs, public transportation in UAE has got it covered. So if you're looking for an affordable way to explore this amazing country, then consider using public transport options such as RTA buses, metro networks, water taxis, or even ferries. It's one of the best ways for experiencing all that this amazing country has to offer. Public transportation in the United Arab Emirates, UAE, has been a huge source of development and progress for the nation. In recent years, the UAE government has been investing heavily in the public transportation system, including trams. The result is an efficient, affordable and safe public transport system that serves millions of people living in the UAE. The tram system has revolutionized the way people travel in this part of the world. It is reliable, convenient and cost-effective alternative to cars and taxis. This modern mode of public transportation offers numerous benefits such as easy access to different parts of the city, quick travel times and attractive fares. The tram network is also connected to other public transportation systems like buses, metro and ferry services, which enhances its level of service to commuters. Apart from providing convenience, comfort and affordability for travelers, trams offer a unique opportunity for tourists and locals to explore some of UAE's most stunning sights without having to spend extra money on petrol or fare costs. Trams offer scenic views along their routes too, like views across Dubai Marina while traveling along Dubai Water Canal, or beach views while riding along Beach Road near Jumeirah Beach residents. The tram also offers a pleasant ride experience with air-conditioned cabins, making it a great choice among commuters during extreme weather conditions. In addition, trams are generally equipped with state-of-the-art safety features such as CCTV surveillance cameras, making it one of the safest transport options available in the country. Moreover, there are several ticketing options available for commuters, making it easy for them to plan their journey efficiently without having to worry about exact change or complex ticketing systems. It is also possible to purchase rechargeable cards which can be used multiple times at discounted fares compared to regular tickets, making it an even more attractive option than private vehicles or taxis for short-distance journeys. The launch of trams in the UAE has been incredibly successful so far, with ridership continuing to increase every year ever since their introduction 7 years ago. Not only do they benefit local residents, but they also attract tourists who come from all over the world eager to explore this fascinating city while traveling on its signature trams, a true symbol of progress. Therefore, if you are looking for an efficient, convenient and affordable way to get around Dubai, then you should look no further than the tram network. With modern facilities offered by this amazing mode of transportation, you will be sure to have a comfortable journey no matter where your destination may be. So don't wait around, hop aboard one today and enjoy your trip along one of UAE's most iconic modes of transportation aimed at transforming your experience. Exploring cities with public transport is one of the most convenient and cost-effective ways to explore the UAE. With the help of public transport, travelers can explore the country's unique cultures and scenic sights. The United Arab Emirates, UAE, offers an extensive public transport system that is made up of buses, metro systems, ferries, and taxis. Furthermore, it has recently been introducing electric-powered transportation options to reduce carbon emissions and make transportation more sustainable. Discovering the UAE with its various public transit options can be a fun and exciting experience for tourists and residents alike. Buses are one of the most common forms of public transportation in the UAE. There are several bus services available in each city depending on your location. A few examples include Dubai's RTA buses, Abu Dhabi's Al Ghazal buses, Sharjah's city bus services, and Ayman's Odra electric buses. Buses provide a convenient way to explore cities across the UAE as they run regularly throughout the day and night. Additionally, travelers can purchase a NAL card to pay for their rides, which provides discounts for frequent users. The United Arab Emirates also operates metro systems across cities such as Dubai, Abu Dhabi, and Sharjah. Dubai Metro is the largest metro network in the UAE, offering both elevated lines and underground tunnels with trains running along them every few minutes till late at night. The metro lines are connected to major attractions such as downtown Dubai or Burj Khalifa, making it easier for visitors to reach their destination quickly while avoiding traffic congestions on roads above ground level. Furthermore, travelers who purchase NAL cards can access discounted fares on both bus rides as well as metro journeys, providing even more value for money. For travelers looking for an exciting new way to explore water-based attractions such as beaches or mangroves in Abu Dhabi or Ras Al Khaimah, then ferries are definitely an option worth considering. Water taxis are available during certain times throughout select cities such as Dubai Creek, which allows commuters to jump aboard boats operated by local drivers, offering an affordable yet enjoyable ride along iconic waterways. The boats offer breathtaking views from different angles as they sail up and down rivers or across lagoons, giving tourists a chance to see beautiful sights that could otherwise not be reached by land transportation alone. Lastly, Taxis provide another great option for travelers who need a quick and easy solution when looking to get around in any city within the UAE, including those located outside popular tourist destinations such as Ras Al Khaimah or Fujairah. Taxis offer travelers personalized service, with drivers often providing helpful tips on what places are worth exploring within each city they visit. Taxis also provide convenience, being easily accessible through booking apps such as Uber or Careem, making them an ideal choice when looking for an efficient way of getting around quickly. All in all, exploring cities within the United Arab Emirates can be made much easier with its range of reliable public transport options available, ranging from buses, metros, ferries, and taxis. With convenience at your fingertips, there is no better way than discovering all that this amazing country has to offer than by taking advantage of its many cost-effective transport solutions offered throughout each city. Public transportation has long been an integral part of life in the United Arab Emirates. Whether you're visiting from abroad or a resident of the UAE, using public transport is one of the most convenient and cost-effective ways to get around. But how do you pay for it? Whether you're using Dubai's metro system, taking an Abra ride in Abu Dhabi, or hopping on a bus, paying for public transportation in the UAE is surprisingly straightforward. The simplest answer is to use your NAL card and load it with value. NAL stands for NOL, Noor Card, and it's a simple smart card that can be used across all forms of public transport throughout the country. It allows users to store credit which can be used to pay for their rides. To get your NAL card, simply head to any metro station or authorized dealer and purchase one. You can then register your details so that you can manage your card online and top up your credit easily whenever you need it. Once registered, you simply tap your NAL card at an entry gate or machine every time you enter a station or board a bus or water taxi. No more coins required. The amount of your fare will be deducted automatically from your stored value balance on the card. The great thing about using a NAL card is that there are multiple ways to top up with credit when needed, including online via debit/credit cards or Apple Pay, through selected banks and retailers across the UAE, or by cash at any RTA ticket office. You can also check your balance online so you know when it needs topping up again. Using a NAL card is simple, safe and secure, plus it offers discounted fares compared to paying cash for each journey every time. It's also super convenient, no more carrying around loose change or waiting in line to buy tickets, just tap and go. Now that you know how easy it is to pay for public transport in the UAE with a NAL card, what are you waiting for? Get out there and start exploring.